Hidden behind the trees is an impressive destination that will surely feed your heart and soul. Born out of love for family and passion for flora and fauna, this place has grown to become a haven for plant lovers and food enthusiasts. Be surrounded with different greens and flowers, with birds singing in your own little rainforest, and enjoy home-style Filipino dishes with your loved ones in this little paradise.
Well, this is Mummy Nenit. We started September 28th. Lucky day with the 8s, of course, in the Philippines. And it was my partner Doc Dan's idea to have a beautiful garden. And with all his plants that he's incorporated for, oh my God, 10, 15, 20 years. And his mom's food, so Mummy Nenit is in deference to his mom. And yeah, we've been just very blessed that we opened in September and we're in our 7th month already. So. Well, you know, very lucky. I mean, besides walk-in people, obviously we're going to expect people from all over the place. But we let people know that if you want christenings, could be simple birthdays, all kinds of events. I think last week we had something for like a little baby, things like that. So I think people are realizing that we can give them the whole dining room area and they can have a special event for their family. So it's worked out very well. I think it's number one. I mean, you know, I'm a little biased, but I think it's a very special place. If you've ever gone to our Secret Garden or Hidden Garden up in Vegan, I think we sort of incorporated what a place would look special with all the plants. I mean, you come in here, you think you're in a rainforest or something like this. Where would you find this? Valley, different places. So I think it's a very special, very unique, and we cater to just simple, just come in and just relax and enjoy the ambiance, the nature. I think it's unique. I'm not sure if you can find a place like this in Pangasinan. I mean, this is Asingan. We love the people here. It's very rural, so you can tell that where did they get all these plants? And we just happy that people appreciate it, whether they're plantitos, plantitas, that this is going to be a very special place and a special experience, besides very, very good food.
Maaari po tayong sumakay ng tricycle sa bayan ng Asingan. Nagkakalaga po yun ng 80 special trip po. 10 minutes po siguro, andit na po kayo sa Mummy Nenit Zone 4, Palares. Nag-open po ang Mummy Nenit mula 10 ng umaga po at 9 po ng gabi. More on Filipino food po kami dito, Budol Fight po. Nagre-range rin po sila ng 150 pataas po. Bukod po sa pagkain, maaari rin po kami bumili ng halaman. Marami pong iba't ibang halaman dito.
Maraming iba't ibang lokal at imported na halamang matatagpuan dito, and if you ever find a plant you love, you can come to the owner to help you purchase it for yourself.
At sa mga gusto pong mag-visit dito, maaari rin po kayong mag-chill, magpahinga, isama pong pamilya, mag-banding po dito. Sa Mummy Nenit Garden Restaurant.
We've been open 7 months and it's a very slow, sort of methodical as people are starting to discover us, whatever. We're very happy, even if we have a few customers for the day, as long as everyone is very happy. I think people are thinking, oh, let's go for a resort, where's your swimming pool, things like that. I think that's a little bit kind of bigger than we're really anticipating, you know, as we're getting older. We just want to keep everything simple, just enjoy a special place, and please come back. I always tell people, thank you for coming back, whether they're here for 2nd, 3rd, 4th time, so it's a blessing. Please, please, a very special place. We're in Palares, Asingan Zone 4. Once you come in, whether it's daytime, nighttime, we have all the lights and everything. We have kubo huts, we have wonderful swings or hammocks, so you get a chance to really just be like away from your normal stress, whatever, and this is the place to be. And you hear the birds in the background, so how can you miss? So please, welcome, mabuhay.
No matter reason for the visit, the destination will welcome you with open arms like your own loving family. Experience Bali, or vegan, or even Thailand, and taste mommy's favorites all while being in one relaxing location. There's so much passion and inspiration in Mommy Nenit's Garden Restaurant and Events Place in Asingan.